Welcome back, team. We've got a quick one today. This is your 10-minute bar hit. No equipment needed, just your body and your breath. We're calling this jump training, and it's powerful stuff, especially for women. These short bursts of impact are amazing for bone density, metabolism, and reducing belly fat. You're gonna feel strong, energized, and accomplished in just 10 minutes. We'll move through each body weight exercise for 40 seconds on, 15 seconds rest, and it's no repeat, so you can give it your all. If you're using your Apple Watch today, you're gonna set it at high intensity interval training. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss a beat of this challenge. And if you want extra perks and exclusive content, click the join button. Roll your shoulders back, take a deep breath. We're gonna have a great workout, you guys. We're gonna start out with a little jack tap. We are gonna have impact today, which means jumping. A little bar flavor in this too. I'll give you options if you don't want to jump, but jumping is great for those bones. Up, then in front and out. We're gonna go for a little jog or march it out. Right, find your own rhythm here, light on the toes, and then open up that chest. It's a quick workout today. We're gonna do a modified burpee. Come to the front of your mat, hands go down, step back into plank, step hands, feet forward, then reach up. Again, go at a pace that's not too slow, but not too fast. But I want good range of motion here. It's gonna help open up your hips. You are back up, and we're into a little 1, 2, 3 Heisman. Light on your feet. All right, twisting that waist. We're getting ready for the first movement. It's just a basic old jumping jack, but super effective. Every move is done for 40 seconds with a 15-second transition. Are you ready? Let's get it, you guys. Roll the shoulders back. One more deep breath. Take it into those jacks. Now, you can be on the beat. You can come off the beat. You can make your own beat, right? Remember, you can tap it out. And I want you to brace your core here. That's gonna help you move with a little speed. You're gonna curtsy lunge. Leap over, curtsy lunge. We're gonna go to our right side first. We curtsy, curtsy, leap. As I leap, I feel like I'm jumping up and over something. Use your arms. That's going to engage that core just a little bit more.
into a plank, single leg down dog with that front leg, knee to elbow, and then we'll switch halfway through. Leg is up in single dog. Bring that knee to the elbow, single dog up. Keep the movement fluid. So pull yourself forward, push yourself back. And switch. Other knee in, single dog up. We are up. Knee tap in and switch. Knee comes in, up, in, over arms. So I want a little leap it up, touch the ceiling, reach up, pull it down. You're using that breath. Come into a sumo position. We're gonna slow it down a little bit. We pulse for 3, down, 2, 3, heels up. And then we drop and we pulse again. We're dropping now, 3, 2, hold, heels up. You want more challenge? Arms are out. Here's some more challenge. Ooh, it's getting hot now, isn't it? Ooh. All right, we're in a little ballet crisscross, or you can just take it for a little jump rope. So you cross front, light on the toes, or you jump rope, right here. We're in that first position, one foot in front of the other, or you just a little jump rope, or you can march. Woo, right? How's it feeling? Lengthen up and in. Light on those feet, right? Feel those calves. We got a curtsy kick right. Right leg stays. Curtsy back with the left leg. Curtsy kick. You can have a little turnout on that right leg. Down and up. Reach. My other arm is gonna reach out. I'm gonna sweep it up, sweep it down. You can always lunge and tap if you need to. If you need a chair, grab it for balance. Woo, all right, that got fiery, didn't it? We're switching that leg. Use your arms. Take it back, back and kick. Reach. Remember, take your option. You need to tap. Woo. Push that hip out. In that curtsy. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. How are you doing at home? How's my team doing? Woo! Nothing like a hot barn, right? Get into a plank jack 2, shoulder tap 2. Let's come on down. Hold that plank. Jack 2. Shoulder tap, backhand, front hand. Let's jack. Shoulders and open. When you shoulder tap, pull into the waist. Push the other hand solidly through the floor. Just the jacks. Come on, just the feet.
What you gonna do? You gonna come closer? You gonna stare?
We got one move. You're up. Woo, this one's fun. Quick toe taps, forward, right, left, then side.
Do you wanna get to know me? Get your confidence up.
Kind of like a little pendulum. Forward, side.
Get your confidence up. Get your confidence up.
Kick, front, kick, side. By taking away the arms, you get more core. Lift up through the spine. My feet are staying off the floor. Front, front, side, side. Open up your chest.
What you gonna do? You gonna come closer?
Nice job. Ooh, little step touch, a little groove. Show them how to move, please. 2 steps right here. And over. All right, we're cooling it down. You did amazing. Single steps. Oh yeah. Plant the feet. Inhale, reach up. Pull the elbows back. Flat back, roll down.
You better
And hold. Right from the bottom, slowly roll yourself up. Roll the shoulders back. Woo. Quick quad stretch. Grab your left foot. Heel to the butt. All right, we're making this a quick workout, so just a quick stretch. We need this to get into recovery mode. And then toes up, hamstring,
what you gonna
and breathe. Oh, you did amazing. All right, let's try the other leg. Give it a good quad stretch. How you feeling though? I got your sweat on. It didn't take much.
do? You wanna get to know me?
Hamstring, bring those toes up. And roll it up. Woo, all right, I feel like I need to shake it out a little bit here. We gotta get out of here. I know you do too. You got things to do. Big inhale, reach it out, reach it up, reach it back. Ooh, and release. Big inhale one more time.
You better do this right.
Pull it into your heart. Last deep breath here. Inhale, let it go. You did amazing. Woo! Thank you to my crew. Thank you guys. Thank you, Diane. Thank you, Cheeky. Thank you, Jen. Thank you, Carol. Thank you. If you enjoyed the workout, thumb it up, comment below, and make sure if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell, because you don't want to miss any new workouts. We love you guys. We'll see you back on the mat. Take care.